I grew up in Huntington, so Zimmer's always been there. But I had no idea they did things like this until we got to know Ryan. The big need for me was for him because every mosquito out there finds this guy. And so we've had to go in the house. When we first had Aaron out, we weren't positive we were actually gonna pull the trigger.
They came out, they showed us how nice it would mount and how good it would look.
They came with all these samples, and I actually brought them outside, and I wanted to match our house color as much as possible. And he got us all the pricing, and he was not pushy. He just said, this is your price. And so we kicked it around for a while, and he said, if you decide, we could probably have you done within 3 weeks. And they did.
They did a good job in the mounting, and you can see with the brackets and the trolleys that they put along the sides, how it really just looks like it's supposed to be there.
I was even a little surprised the first time I came out here and looked back at it. I was like, perfect, it's perfect. The friends that we've had over are just kind of blown away.
For me, it was about the quality, the winds they could withstand, and their durability for the future. WA Zimmer, it's a great local company with good people.